Again for another video. Today video, I have an issue with my garage motor, so I'm gonna show you what's going on with it. Alright, got this engaged. Let me engage it back and see what it does. Okay, let's lift it up, see what it does. Alright, so the issue that I'm having, so let's go take a look what's going on up there. Alright? Alright, so here's the issue we're having. You can see the rubber band is all deteriorating. These are all the thing that came off it right there. See that? So basically I gotta replace this bind right here. Alright, so to replace this, I gotta just remove the screw from the top here. Remove that screw. Alright, so, and then there's a hook that goes around and this little piece right here. And this bolt right here, I'm gonna need a 9/16. Alright. Alright, so the tool we need for the job, we need a ladder. We need a 9/16 open or close wrench. And you guys been watching my video for a while, you know I got my favorite little box right here with my adjustable screwdriver from Cobalt. Yeah, I think I have this thing over 10 years, I believe. That's how long I had it. Alright. Yeah, last but not least, the replacement part. So what you can do, whatever unit you have, you can go to their website and then you just tell what type, the model number. On each one there's a serial number. There's a serial number on there, so you can give them the serial number and they can give you a replacement part. But by law, they're only supposed to cover you up to 10 years. So after that, you won't be getting no genuine parts. You get aftermarket parts. So this is a genuine part. And this unit I have about 14 years. So it's been a while. So, all right, so let's get into it. So now we unpackage our new belt. Next step is what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try to remove the old belt. So I'm gonna show you step by step on how to do it. All right, so now in order to get access to this belt, I gotta take the cover off. The cover that's used to protect the belt. It's a regular Phillips screwdriver. Make sure you secure your bolts so you don't want any issues. Alright, I was trying to get this off after removing the screws and you can feel tension on it. So just be careful. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead onto the other end and get everything prepared on that side. Alright, so now, earlier in the video I said a 9/16. It's not a 9/16, it's a 7/16. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen the tension of this bond right here and then replace it. Alright, so now I got the little hook. I got the tension off. I got a little hook off. And you can see I can't go through this wheel right here. So now I gotta take this wheel off so I can get the belt off properly. Alright, to remove this wheel right here, you're gonna need a 9/16 for the bottom. And for the top, you're gonna need a 5/8 to hold it. Because if you don't have nothing on the bottom, it's gonna spin, spin, spin. And you're just wasting your time. Alright, so I got the belt loose. I'm still having issue taking this off. So I'm gonna get a screwdriver and see what's going on with it. Alright, now I know why I wasn't able to take the top off. There's another screw that's sitting up here. So take that extra screw off. I didn't see it in the beginning. So let's see, it comes right off. Yep, comes right off. Alright, so if you see right here, the belt is all deteriorated. So I made all this mess up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off and then replace it with a new belt. Alright, so if you notice, when I bought this is how it comes. Both ends comes like this. And if you look on the old one, it has this piece on there, which I need. So what I'm gonna do is remove. There's a clip right here. All I gotta do is remove this clip, and this will loosen this, and I transfer it over to here. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. These are the three pieces I took off the old belt. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that stuff over here. So basically it's just a link. Got it like that. Then get that one, slide it on, and then you push it. Yeah, take a while, but so now what I did, I transferred this piece that was on the old piece, because it doesn't come with the new one when you order it. I have it linked with a lock-in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and catch this side first with the hook, this little hook. I'm gonna catch that side first and then come around and then go around the motor and then come this way. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna catch is the hook. Alright, so what I'll do, I'll push this through here. Once I get that, then I'll put a hook in here. Once that hook is there, I'm gonna go ahead now and replace the wheel back in there with a bolt, and then I'll take it from there. Alright, so now that I got that wheel in, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go around with the belt around the motor. Then I'm gonna come back around and catch it here. Now that I got the belt around the gear of the motor, before I release it, I'm gonna go ahead and put the top on so it secure it, and then I'll keep running it. Alright, so now that I got the thing on, so the belt's holding on this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and run it along here and then hook it up on this side. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this through here, get this piece here, and put the spring on. I'm gonna hand tighten it for now. It might have a little bit of tension on it, so what I'm planning on doing is release the, so both sides have the same tension. If this side is tighter, so I don't gotta go back to where the garage motor is and release it. There's kind of a little bit tension here. So one of the things I didn't do, and I advise you to do it, is to make a mark, like with a marker, like a red mark, something bright, so you can see where you, so you can get it back into that position, so you don't have to be trying it here and there, stopping and whatever. Alright, so this is pretty tight. I'm gonna go ahead and release some of the tension up there. Where I had that cap on, just take the screwdriver, take out them 2 screws and kind of loosen it a little bit. Alright, so that's that. Alright, so I got everything tightened. I think the issue was there's not a lot of lighting. I apologize for that. But just to give you an idea what I did, save me some money also, because this thing broke and I don't have any extra money to have it fixed. So it was easier for me just to buy the belt and got it shipped over. So if you're not comfortable doing it, get a professional person to do it. I would say the risk level on this is maybe a 3. But if you're an handy person, then I'd say try to take a chance. If not, get a professional person. So it's all said and done. Let's see what happened when I press this button. Oops. That's not good. Alright, so what I did before we had that issue, after that issue, what I did some minor adjustment. So I guess when I was putting it out, I wasn't paying attention. So I'm gonna go ahead and disengage the door from the motor. I'll show you some. So when you press the motor, this little lever device moves. And you see where it stops. So what I had to do is readjust the belt, readjust the whole thing and move this up here so where the starting point is. So before it was stopping halfway here, it was stopping here. So what I had to do is readjust the belt so it'll give me a stopping right here. Alright? So in the future, in our situation, we couldn't have marked it to see where it was. So it was a trial and error. So now what I'm gonna do is press again. If you notice, it goes all the way back. And it's slightly past where the door is, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and send it off again. Engage the door strap. That's where it stopped. But again. Alright, engage this. Before it was stopping right there, so I had to readjust the belt. So it stopped here, so it gave me clearance so I can always back in. And then when you do it, try to make sure you don't have a banging noise. If it's that means you're going back too far. Alright? So you see what happened when initially what I did it. That's why I asked, you gotta make sure you know your skill level. If you don't feel comfortable doing it, get a professional. I know a lot of times we want to save money, but safety is always first. Alright? So, again, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And then make sure you check out my sponsor's website. At least buy something and then let them know I recommend it. Alright? Have a good day.